The internet is buzzing. Google just unveiled Gemini 3, their most powerful AI yet. This isn't a minor update, it's a leap, like going from a flip phone to a foldable AI that can plan, reason, and even control a browser to execute tasks online. In this video, we'll break down how Gemini 3's agent mode and DeepThink are shaking up the tech world, and what it means for Google, its rivals, and your job. To get why Gemini 3 is different, start with its adaptive reasoning core, or ARC. Unlike older models that just predict the next word, ARC mimics human thought, pausing, planning, and strategizing. It can break down complex requests into actionable steps, like planning a trip by checking your calendar, researching destinations, and booking everything for you. ARC also gives Gemini 3 a long memory, learning your preferences over time for more personalized help. This isn't just a smarter chatbot. It's an AI that understands how to use knowledge to get real-world results. The shift from knowledge engine to action engine starts here. ARC is the brain powering this new era. If ARC is the brain, the central intelligence that powers everything behind the scenes, then agent mode is the hands, bringing that intelligence to life by interacting with the digital world on your behalf. Agent mode lets Gemini 3 control a web browser, clicking, typing, and navigating just like a human would, but with the speed and precision of AI. Now, you can ask it to find and buy the best headphones, and it'll do the whole process for you, end to end, from searching and comparing to checking out securely. It uses advanced computer vision to understand web pages visually, and combines that with powerful reasoning to decide what to do next, just like a thoughtful assistant. This means Gemini 3 can manage subscriptions for you, keeping track of renewals and cancellations, pay bills on time, fill out job applications, and handle a variety of online transactions that would otherwise eat up your day. It can even update your CRM or business tools. No special integrations or complicated setups required. It's not just about convenience, it's about automating digital chores, freeing up your time, and making your life noticeably easier. Agent mode transforms Gemini 3 into a true digital actor, capable of taking real action online, not just providing information or suggestions. This is the hidden superpower that truly sets Gemini 3 apart from every other AI assistant out there. Giving AI control is one thing, but how do you make sure it's actually making smart, well-reasoned decisions? That's where DeepThink comes in, a breakthrough that lets Gemini 3 go beyond simple automation and start reasoning like a true problem solver. When faced with tough or unfamiliar problems, Gemini 3 can pause, run detailed internal simulations, and carefully weigh different options before taking action, just like a human who stops to think things through instead of rushing in. For example, if you ask it to create a business plan, Gemini 3 will analyze the market, study competitors, and structure the plan step by step before writing, ensuring every detail is considered. DeepThink means you get better, more accurate results for complex tasks, whether it's coding, legal research, business strategy, or any challenge that requires careful reasoning and planning. It's the difference between a quick, surface-level guess and a thoughtful, well-considered answer that you can trust. This feature lets Gemini 3 tackle problems that used to be out of reach for AI, solving puzzles, making tough decisions, and overcoming challenges that require real reasoning. DeepThink ensures agent mode acts with true intelligence, not just mindless automation, so you can rely on it for your most important tasks. It's the depth and reasoning behind Gemini 3's power that sets it apart from anything that's come before. Gemini 3 isn't just smart, it's remarkably versatile, designed to adapt to a wide range of needs and situations. It's natively multimodal, seamlessly handling text, images, audio, video, and even complex 3D data, all at the same time, without missing a beat. You can show it a video, ask a question, and instantly get a detailed answer that combines both visual and textual analysis, making information more accessible than ever. Doctors can upload X-rays and patient symptoms, allowing Gemini 3 to provide insights that merge medical images with clinical data. Architects can share intricate 3D models and cite videos to get comprehensive feedback or design suggestions. Gemini 3 can reason across all these diverse inputs, drawing connections and insights that would be difficult for a human to process alone. It can also generate outputs in multiple formats: slides, images, charts, and even voiceovers, tailored to your needs. This makes every interaction feel natural and intuitive, like collaborating with a true digital partner who understands your workflow. It's the Swiss Army knife of AI, one powerful system for countless creative, analytical, and practical tasks. Gemini 3 is the true all-rounder, setting a new standard that previous models could only dream of reaching. Gemini 3's real power comes from deep integration with Google's ecosystem: Chrome, Android, Gmail, Docs, Sheets, and more. In Chrome, Agent Mode turns your browser into an active assistant, finding deals, summarizing research, or pulling data, all in one click. On Android, your phone becomes proactive. Gemini 3 can check your flight, monitor traffic, and reschedule meetings automatically. In Workspace, it drafts emails, analyzes data, and creates presentations from plain English commands. Google's tight integration means Gemini 3 is everywhere you work, making productivity seamless. Competitors need partnerships. Google just builds it in. This creates a smart, interconnected world, powered by a single AI. It's not just a smart tool, it's a smart environment. So, how does Gemini 3 stack up against OpenAI and Anthropic? On benchmarks, Google claims the lead, but the real edge is agent mode and ecosystem integration. Unlike others, Gemini 3 can natively control a browser, handling novel web tasks without pre-built integrations. OpenAI's GPT-4 is fast and conversational, but less proactive. Anthropic's Claude excels at analyzing huge documents. Each model has strengths: OpenAI for chat, Anthropic for analysis, Google for autonomous action. The best choice depends on your needs, but Gemini 3 is defining a new category: universal digital assistant. The competition will respond, but for now, Google leads the race toward truly autonomous AI. The landscape is shifting fast. An AI that acts on its own raises big safety questions. Google's answer: Action Verifier. Before Gemini 3 does anything major, it shows you the plan and asks for approval. Ethical guardrails are built in, blocking harmful or illegal actions. Sandboxing and permissions keep the AI's access limited and secure. Still, as AI gets more complex, predicting every risk is tough. There's always a chance of unintended consequences or creative workarounds. Google's safeguards are a start, but ongoing oversight and regulation are crucial. With great power comes great responsibility, and the debate is just beginning. As Google launched Gemini 3, OpenAI dropped a bombshell research paper on AI and the future of work. The study found that 80% of US jobs could see at least 10% of tasks automated by AI, especially high-paying knowledge-based roles. Even CEOs aren't safe. OpenAI's Sam Altman suggested AI could handle executive tasks. OpenAI shifted the conversation from tech demos to the real impact on jobs and the economy. Google showed what AI can do. OpenAI showed what it could disrupt. The timing was no accident. It was a strategic move to spark debate. The future of work is now front and center. Autonomous AI is here, and it's about to transform industries and careers. Companies adopting AI agents will see huge productivity gains. Tasks that took days now take minutes. For creators and entrepreneurs, it's like having a team of skilled assistants for free. But for many workers, the shift means learning to direct AI, not just do tasks. Prompting and managing AI will become essential skills. There will be disruption and job changes, but those who adapt will thrive. The future isn't about replacement, it's about augmentation. The key is learning to work with AI, not against it. Gemini 3 marks a turning point. Autonomous AI is now real and integrated into everyday tools. It's not just a chatbot, it's a problem solver, planner, and digital partner. The race is now about building the most capable, reliable agent, not just the biggest model. This will reshape industries, redefine jobs, and change how we relate to technology. The genie is out of the bottle. There's no going back. The era of the AI partner has begun, and sci-fi is becoming reality. The road ahead is uncertain but exciting. We're living through the transition, and Gemini 3 is the moment it became real. That's our deep dive into Gemini 3 and the dawn of autonomous AI. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell. The pace of change is only accelerating. Today's tech will look ancient soon. The best way to prepare is to understand what's coming. Stay curious, stay futuristic, and see you in the next one.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.